Hello guys and welcome. If you are new, please subscribe and also click the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I upload new content. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to disable saving your pictures and your documents in the cloud, or rather in OneDrive. Now, if you go to settings, and we will go there very quickly, and then go to system and then storage, and then when you go to advanced storage settings and then where new content is saved, clearly you can see that it is set to save to local disk, which is new apps will save to local disk C, new documents will save to local disk C, new music, new photos and videos, new movies, and you can see that you are unable to change that. And so even where your offline maps are stored local disk C, but clearly if we try and save something, let's see, by default, especially if you create a Microsoft account while installing your system, which is a requirement these days, you'll realize that automatically you will start saving in your OneDrive. So if you, for example, try to save something here, let me just copy this. If you try and save it, let me just, if you go and paste this, and then let's try and save, Control S. So you can see it is trying to save in the documents folder of OneDrive. So if you just click here, you can see the full path is a OneDrive path, you can see here. So the way to simply disable that and use your local disk is simply to go to open OneDrive. Let's open OneDrive, and then when we come here to the action center, let's go there. I can press Windows key, can come here, taskbar, below the taskbar, or at the action center here, and then go to the more options, and then let's go to settings, and then under settings, under synchronize and backup, go to manage backup, and then simply disable desktop, disable pictures, and then yes, are you sure you want to stop backup? Stop backup, yes. Disable documents, and now you can see all of them are disabled, so none of our desktop shortcuts or pictures or images and documents will be saved on OneDrive. And then so let's go and try and see if it works. We go back to Notepad, and then let's try and save again. Documents, but where exactly? So you can see now the documents that we have now, the full path, it is actually the local disk C documents folder, and you can test that. In fact, if you go here, if you go to the file explorer and open documents, you can see that it is no longer referring to the documents folder under OneDrive. It is simply called documents, And if you press Control Shift C to get the full path, and let's see that. Let's go and paste in our notepad and see. So you can see it is C users, yes, documents, and there is no OneDrive. It's not a OneDrive uh, folder, or rather it's not a OneDrive storage. It's a local disk C storage. So otherwise, that's been it, guys, for my desk. Thanks a lot for watching. If you learned something, please like and also subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on yet another useful video in the future. Thanks, guys. Bye.